Next tip, and a really important tip when you're strength training, is making sure that you focus on your breathing. Because if you don't, it's a quick fire way to say night-night. Now this is actually very rare, and you will most likely only feel a little lightheaded if you hold your breath, as there are most likely other contributing factors involved. However, it is still very important that you get in the habit of focusing on your breathing when performing strength training exercises, not only for your performance, but also for your safety. Therefore, as a guide, you should exhale during the concentric portion of your rep, which is the most strenuous portion of each repetition and when you are overcoming the resistance. And you should inhale during the eccentric portion of each rep, which is the least strenuous portion of each rep. As an example, during the bicep curl, you breathe out when you're overcoming the resistance and breathe in during the eccentric phase of the exercise. This nice and easy breathing technique will improve your workouts and keep you safe.